Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a pumpkin cheesecake.
Preheat the oven at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line the 15 centimeter cake pan with parchment paper. In a food processor, process the graham cookies and cocoa powder into fine crumbs. Melt the butter and add to the crumbs until evenly moistened. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of the cake pan. Chill in a refrigerator until ready to use. In a food processor, add all the ingredients and mix until well combined and becomes smooth. Pour the filling over the crust. Place the cake pan on a baking sheet and bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes until the top is set and turns golden color. Take out from the oven and let the cheesecake cool, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours to overnight. Mix the cream cheese and 28 grams of the sugar until it becomes smooth. Mix in 24 grams of the heavy cream. Add the lemon juice and mix well. In a separate bowl, whip 110 grams of the heavy cream and 17 grams of the sugar until soft peaks form. Combine the whipped cream and the cream cheese mixture together to make it smooth. Pipe the whipped cheese cream on top of the pumpkin cheesecake. To make the eyes, simply mix the cocoa powder and water to make paste. Garnish with toasted pumpkin seeds. I hope you enjoy making this delicious cheesecake and share it with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you for watching and see you guys again soon.